How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be introducing you to GUI, also known as Graphical User Interface. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so the first thing you need to do when creating a GUI project in Java is create a window. Windows in Java are known as JFrames. So the first thing we need to do is import from the JFrame library. So import javax.swing.jframe. In our main method, we're going to create our JFrame object. So JFrame window is equal to new JFrame. The next thing we need to do is give our JFrame a title. So window set title, and you can give whatever title you want. For me, I'm going to say intro to GUI tutorial. So the next thing we need to do is set the size of our window. In Java, dimensions are width by length. So we're going to say window.set size at 600 by 800. So our window is going to be 600 pixels wide and 800 pixels long. Now it's time to run our program to look at our window. In order for us to see our window, we always have to set our JFrame to visible. So make it a note. Always set your window to visible. So in order to set our JFrame to visible, we're going to say window.set visible to true. So let's run our program again. And voila, we have our created window. 600 pixels wide and 800 pixels long. All right, so now I'm going to exit out the window. So notice when I exit the window, the program is still running. So in order for our program to end when we exit our window, we need to set a close operation for our JFrame. In our main method, we're going to say window.set default close operation JFrame dot, and it's going to give you a list of methods. So we're going to click exit on close. So we run our program again. When we click exit, our program will end. So the next thing we need to do is set a restriction on our window resizing. So when we run our program, notice how you to make your window wide or longer than the original size you set it at. So in order for you to set that restriction, you need to go into the main method and say window.set resizable to false. So when we run our program again, our window can only be moved, but it can't be resized. All right, so the last thing we need to do for our JFrame in this tutorial is make sure when we run our program that the window is in the middle of our monitor. So when we run our program, you notice how our window is always to the left of our monitor. So what do we do if we want it dead in the middle? This is what we will do. In the main method, we're going to say window.set location relative to null. So when we run our program, voila, our window's in the middle of our monitor. So that marks the end of part 1 to Intro to GUI in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. All right, thank you for watching.